What's up guys? For today's video we're going to put to the test survival electric plasma lighter by UST. This one is TechFire LED field-free lighter. This is their second version of a plasma survival lighter. They claim it down here, everyday survival solution. But what makes it survival and so different compared to regular good-looking plasma lighters? Well, obviously, first of all, waterproof, windproof. Well, electric plasma lighters, they all windproof. They are awesome, I love them. But is this really waterproof? Because the first one that I have put to the test was not waterproof. It failed the water test. Let's see if this one does or not. And I have two of them, so hopefully at least one of them will survive water test. Because that's what makes it survival, obviously. If you hike around, you fall in the water, you drop your lighter in the water and it's dead. Especially electric ones, they're gonna die 100%. Hopefully this time they're actually going to work. Okay, let's open this up. Definitely very nice packaging. It comes with a charger right here, and this is how it closes and opens, and it keeps it closed. There is a rubber ring around it, so that's hopefully going to protect it from the liquid going inside there. And there is a flashlight, and this thing right here, the cover is definitely redesigned. If you want to see the other video, you'll see the difference. I just remember it is actually kind of hard to open, which is really good because you don't want it easily open because the water will go through too easily. I don't have any nails, so I'll grab something like this to open it. Boom. So you plug it in into here and then plug it in into your computer or charger. Okay, once you charge it up, you can close this. Make sure it's really tight. So you open this up, then you pop this open, and there's the plasma lighter. You see it? Just a single beam, which is still really good. Okay, let's do a burn test. And there you go, this paper is on fire. It's kind of thick paper, not that flammable, but as you can see, it's possible to light it up. See what I'm saying? And now this paper is on fire. Pretty cool. Very cool lighter, don't you guys think? Okay guys, one more time. As you can see, it still works. We're gonna close it and dump it into the water. So first of all, it does not float. I wish it would float, because if it was deep enough, I would have lost it. But I can always put a little floaty device, so that way it keeps it afloat. Anyways, let's shake it off and let's see if it still works. Okay, wiped it all off. Pop this open, and let's light it up. It still works. They have definitely improved. I love it. So excited. Finally they have fixed it. Boom. Close it again. Close it again. Now they should make it floatable. Shake it off. Once again. Pop this open, then press it here. I see a little bit of liquid inside there this time though. You see it? Maybe I didn't close it all the way, but it still works. Awesome. Okay, one more test. Let's see how durable it is. I'm gonna do a little drop test. One, and into the water, and a third time. Hold up, did not open, and it fell into the water. I'm gonna wipe it off on my shorts or something, so that way if I'm going to try to light it up, it does not electrocute me. So pop this open. I see water inside of it once again. I wiped all the water out before I closed it. So the water still goes inside here. But does the lighter still works? Nope. And let's say I was walking and I dropped it on this rock. See what happens. Still works. Very nice. Close this. Let's do another drop this into the rock, into the water. One more sideways. Third one. And it fell into the water. Stayed close, looking good. Let's see if it's actually going to light up. I see water inside of it a little bit. Somehow went in. And let's see if it works anyways. It works. Very nice. Love it. They definitely have improved this thing. From now on, I'll definitely call it a survival plasma lighter. You know what, guys? Although it still works, if you shake it, the water still come out from it. Look at that. But again, maybe inside of it it's waterproof because it still works. They definitely improved it, but I wish it would not fill up with water. Oh well. And if you look at the light bulb right here, as you can see, there's lots of moisture. So if you do drop it in the river, I would recommend it, open it and drying it out completely. By the way, I dropped both of them in water. This one stopped working for a second. I let it dry out. All the water came out and it still works, which is great. So if you're going to get water inside of this lighter, don't turn it on. Just open everything, let it dry out, and it should work again. Because this one is definitely works still. Beautiful. Look at this beam. I love the noise it makes. The LED flashlight is actually very powerful. Look at it. I can see the steps. Complete darkness. Now I can see the steps, the tanks. Very nice. And I cannot see nothing. Now I can work on all this stuff. So definitely very bright LED flashlight. It's crazy. So yeah, definitely impressive. And all you do is just press it right here. Where's the off and on button? There you go. Well guys, UST plasma lighter definitely improved a lot. I do like the flashlight, a lot brighter than I thought. And as you can see, it still works. But again, it leaks water inside of it. And I can see the liquid inside of the flashlight. So they need to improve even more. Although it does not die that simply, like the first one, it just completely shut off and never worked again after one dunk in the water for like 5 seconds. I kept this lighter into the water for a while and I did the drop test. Pretty durable, decent survival lighter. I like it. But if I would have to pick, I like the other one a little bit better because it does not let water inside of the lighter whatsoever. You can actually see, you see the crack opens up on this side a lot more. They need to make this latchet maybe tighter to keep it like closed all the way. I don't know, they need to improve it so it does not leak the water. I don't know where it's coming from, to here or to here. Wherever it is, they need to fix it so it's 100% waterproof. Because I see the water is slowly drying out. It finally did, and it works really well now. So definitely a huge improvement, and I like it that it works now, even though I dropped it in the water a few times. So I'll give it a thumbs up.